ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 154. Somebody can ask a question that is put here in the Moolam, that if Dhvansa, we are discussing the 4 types of abhava. If Dhvansa adhikaranam is nityam and Dhvansa is adhikarana rupa, then how there is Dhvansa nasha possible? Then the answer is in the form of a counter question. If the adhikaranam is chaitanya, then it is different. If that adhikaranam is not chaitanya, then the answer is different. If the adhikaranam is chaitanya vyatirikta, different from chaitanya, it cannot be nitya, because in Vedanta mata only Brahma is nitya. Therefore that Dhvansa cannot be nitya. If the adhikaranam is chaitanyam, then Dhvansa cannot be nitya because it is aropita. आरोपित प्रतियोगिक सींधमूलम आरोपित प्रतियोगिक ध्वंसस्य अधिष्ठाने प्रतीयमानस्य अधिष्ठान मात्रत्वात्. That dhvansa itself is aropita in Brahma. It is also avidya karyam. So aropita pratiyogika dhvansasya adhishthanam is chaitanyam or chaitanya vyatiriktam. Chaitanya. So it is only pratiyamana in adhisthana. Therefore it is adhisthana matra. In Rajju adhisthana, if sarpa is only pratiyamana, then that sarpa dhvansa is not nitya. It is anitya only. In Tika. So asiddhi on page 155. Asiddhi is the pratika. Dhvansasya chetanatirekena nityatva asiddhi. If dhvansa is different from chaitanya, it cannot be nitya. Tatra Sureshwaracharya sammatim aha. This is a prasiddha quotation from Sureshwaracharya ji. Taduktam iti. What is uktam by Acharya? Adhishthana-avashesho hi.
Adhishthana-avashesho hi.
Nashah kalpita vastunaha.
Nashah kalpita vastunaha.
Only this much is the quotation. I mean, this is probably second line of some Vartika in Brahadaranyaka. Adhisthana avashesho hi nasha. Kalpita vastunaha nasha. Kalpita vastu like sarpa. In Rajju, its nasha is nothing but adhisthana, which remains. Adhisthana alone remains. Rajju. There is no sarpa, there was no sarpa. In the same way, adhisthana is Brahma. In that there is Jagat. Kalpita is Jagat. Kalpita vastunaha nasha. Jagataha nasha is adhisthana alone will remain. Iti. Evam shukti rupya vinasho api idam avacchinnam chaitanyameva. In the same way, shukti rupya vinasha. Shukti rupya vinasha in shukti is nothing but idam avacchinnam chaitanyam. Idam avachinna chaitanyam is adhisthana. So idam part remains in this way. Rupya adhyaropa is in idam amsha of shukti. Tika. Uktanyayam shukti rupya nashe atideshati. So this adhisthana avashesho hi nasha kalpita vastunaha. Their adhisthana is idam avachinna chaitanyam. So that alone remains when shukti rupya nasha takes place. This is the atidesha, showing the drishtanta in darshtanta. Evam iti. तथा च अधिष्ठान चैतन्यातिरिक्त ध्वंस विपगमे प्रमाणाभावात् गौरवाच्च तदसिद्ध्या सुतरां तन्नित्यत्वा सिद्धिरिति भावः. अधिष्ठान चैतन्य अतिरिक्त, other than अधिष्ठान चैतन्य, ध्वंस विपगमे, if you accept dhvansa different from अधिष्ठान chaitanya, in that there is no pramana abhavat, and it is a gaurava dosh. तद असिद्ध्या सुतराम तन नित्यत्व असिद्धि. So because of that asiddhi, dhvansa existing separately from adhisthana chaitanya, in that there is no pramana, and it is gaurava dosh also. Then what to talk of that dhvansa being nitya? Sutaram tan nityatva siddhiriti bhava. Completely it is asiddha only. Tritiyam lakshayati. Now third one. अन्योन्य अत्यंत अभाव. यत्राधिकरणे यस्य काले त्रयेऽपि अभावः सो अत्यंत अभावः. यत्र अधिकरणे, in that अधिकरण, यस्य of anything, कालत्रये अभाव, this is अत्यंत अभाव. In all three periods of time, its abhava should be there. Like Vayu, Rupa Atyanta Bhavaha. In Vayu, there is Rupa Atyanta Bhava. Any other drishtanta you can tell?
आकाश रूपाभाव
भूतले घटन अस्ति.
आकाशे घटाभाव.
आकाशे रूप अभाव.
रूपाभाव. Just as Vayu Rupabhava, Akashe Rupabhava is possible. मरु मरीचिकायाम जलाभाव और शशे विषाणाभाव. In the rabbit, there are no horns. This is Atyanta Bhava. Sopi, so in Vayu there is no Rupa, therefore Vayu Rupa Atyanta Bhava. Sopi Ghatadivat Dvansa Pratyogi eva. It is also Dhansa Pratyogi. Let us see Tika a little bit. Asandigdham udaharanam. Vayav Rupa Bhava is Asandigdha udaharan. There is no doubt. Never ever there is Rupa in Vayu, because Vayu you cannot see. Tarkika Mata Nirasaya Aha Sopi. Tarkika will say, what is the Mata Nirasa here? Tell me. Think and tell me. Tarkika Mata Nirasaya Aha. And its answer is given, Sopi Ghatadivat Dvansa Pratyogi Eva. See, this is where you have to use some thinking. It is not quoting some shloka or mantra which you have memorized, where you don't have to use intelligence. According to Nyaya, Atyanta Bhava is Nitya or Anitya?
Nitya.
Nitya.
According to Vedanta, Atyanta Bhava is Nitya or Anitya?
Anitya.
Anitya.
That is this matam. That is this line. When it is said Tarkika Mata Nirasaya, Tarkika's thing, Atyanta Bhava is Nitya. According to Vedanta, nothing other than Brahma is Nitya. So that's why he says, Sopi Ghatadivat Dvansa Pratyogi Eva. Dvansa Pratyogi. Dvansa Pratyogi means Vinashi. That which has Dvansa as its Pratyogi, means Dvansasya Pratyogi. Dvansa, Ghata is Dvansasya Pratyogi. Ghata will become Pratyogi. So Ghata Abhava is there. Ghata Adivat. Tika. Atra idam na iti pratyaya vishaya iti bodhyam. And how is this understood, this Atyanta Bhava? Atra idam na, in this way. Atra idam na. This is the pratiti vishaya. Praga Bhava, what was the pratyaya vishaya? How it was recognized?
Ghato bhavishyati.
Ghato bhavishyati. Pradvansa Bhava?
Nashyati. Saha nashyati.
Oh, Ghato nashta, not nashyati, nashta. Because Pradvansa Bhava is when it is already destroyed. And here it is Atra idam na iti bodhyam. Tippani number 1 says Atra idam na iti pratyaya vishayo atyanta bhavopi dvansa pratyogi ityartha. This atyanta bhava is also dvansa pratyogi iti bodhyam. So 3 are over. Now 4th. Chaturtham lakshayati. Idam idam na iti pratiti vishayo anyonya bhavaha. Idam idam na. Ghataha pato na. This is anyonya bhava. In Tika. तादात्म्य संसर्गावच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिता का इत्यर्थ है. Sansarga. So 3 abhavas are called Sansarga Bhava. What are the 3?
Atyanta Bhava, Praga Bhava, Pradvamsa Bhava.
Praga Bhava, Pradvansa Bhava and Atyanta Bhava are Sansarga Bhava. Sansarga means Praga Bhava. If I say Ghata Praga Bhava, where is Ghata? at that time? Where is okay? Where is Ghata Praga Bhava? When I say Ghata Praga Bhava is there, where is Ghata Praga Bhava?
In Kapala.
In Kapala. Where is Ghata Pradvansa Bhava?
In Kapala.
Kapala.
So I will have to say Ghate, I mean Kapale, Ghata Praga Bhava. Kapale, Ghata Pradvansa Bhava. So general people say Kapale Ghata Bhava as Praga Bhava. Kapale Ghata Bhava as Dvansa Bhava. In this way. And Anyanya Bhava. Pate Ghata Bhava. और भूतले घटा भाव है. This is Anyanya Bhava. But if we say Ghataha Patona, so there is no samsarga. Ghataha Patona, there is no samsarga. Ghate Patona is Atyanta Bhava. Ghataha Patona is Anyanya Bhava. So here what is said, तादात्म्य संसर्गावच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिता का अभाव. अन्योन्य भाव इस तादात्म्य संसर्ग अवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिता का. It is this अभाव प्रतियोगी इस तादात्म्य संसर्ग अवच्छिन्न. तो तादात्म्य संसर्ग मीन्स when you have संसर्ग मीन्स संबंध है. अपाल एंड घट प्रागभाव है संबंध है. अपाले घट प्रागभाव, भूतले घट, कपाले घट प्रध्वंसा भाव. दिस इज कॉल्ड संसर्ग, संबंध. बट घट पटो न, देयर इज नो संसर्ग. सो दिस इज तादात्म्य संसर्गावच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिता का अभाव. देयर इज नो mean that abhava which is having तादात्म्य संसर्ग अवच्छेदक as its प्रतियोगी, फल तादात्म्य संसर्ग अवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिता का अभाव. If I see some more clarity on this, then we will discuss it later. But otherwise, this is just to separate Anyanya Bhava from the other three Abhava, and other three are called Sansarga Bhava, whereas Anyanya Bhava is not Sansarga. Vibhag Prithakvayoho Padarthantaratva Nirasaya Aha. Now, according to Nyaya, they have 24 gunas. In that there is Sanyoga, Vibhaga. Then there is Pruthakva. And then Anyanya Bhava is different. So they have Anyanya Bhava also, Pruthakva also, Vibhaga also. Here it Siddhanti says, Vibhaga Pruthakvayoho Padarthantaratva Nirasaya. They are not different Padartha. They all are Anyanya Bhava only. Anyanya Bhava, Bheda, Vibhaga, Pruthakva, they mean the same thing. You are just using different words. Ayamiti. In the Moolam, Ayam Vibhago Bhedaha Pruthakvam cha iti vyavahriyate. Ayameva, this Anyanya Bhava itself, Vyavahara is done as Vibhaga, Bheda, Prithakvam in different ways. भेदातिरिक्त विभागादौ प्रमाणा भावात. भेद अतिरिक्त विभाग आदौ, in भेद अतिरिक्त विभाग there is no praman. अयंच अन्योन्य भावो अधिकरणस्य सादित्वे सादिः यथा घटे पटभेदः. This अन्योन्य भाव, if the adhikaran of अन्योन्य भाव is sadi, then अन्योन्य भाव is sadi. यथा घटे पटभेदः, since when there is patabheda in ghata, when ghata utpatti takes place, and from that moment there is patabheda in ghata. So ghata and ghata patabheda, both utpatti take place at the same time. That's why that bheda means anyanya bhava is also sadi. Adhikarana utpatti, with that adhikarana anyasya bheda utpatti also. यथा घटे पटभेद. एतस्य सादित्वम अनादित्वम च व्यवस्थाय आह. एतस्य अभावस्य, this abhava is sadi as well as anadi. So if adhikarana is sadi, then abhava is sadi. अधिकरणस्य अनादित्वे अनादिः एव. But if adhikarana is anadi, then it is anadi. यथा जीवे ब्रह्म भेदः, ब्रह्मणि वा जीव भेदः. So in jiva brahma bheda is anadi, because how many anadis are there according to Vedanta? 6, not 7, 6. What are they?
Jiva, Isha,
विशुद्धाचित तथा जीवेश्वरो वेदा.
अविद्यादच्चितोर्योगः षडस्माकम् अनादयः.
अविद्या तच्चितोर योगः षडस्माकम् अनादयः. So these 6 are anadi. Therefore their bheda is also anadi. Jiva Ishwara bheda is anadi. Jiva Brahma bheda is anadi. जीव अविद्या भेद, ईश्वर अविद्या भेद, जीव जीव भेद, all of them are anadi because their adhikarana is anadi. यथा जीवे ब्रह्म भेद, ब्रह्मणि वा जीव भेद. द्विविधोपि भेदो ध्वंस प्रतियोगी एव. And these two types of Vedas. What are the 2 types? Dvividha means
Nitya,
Adi
Nitya,
Anadi.
Sadi Anadi. Dvividha means Sadi and Anadi. Dvividhopi Bhedo Dhvansa Pratiyogi eva. He is also Dhvansa Pratiyogi. Dhvansa Pratiyogi means
विनाशी.
विनाशी. ध्वंस प्रतियोगी मीन्स विनाशी. अविद्यायाः निवृत्तौ तत्परतंत्राणां निवृत्ति अवश्यं भावात्. When avidya nivritti takes place, avidyayaha nivrittau, then tat paratantranam nivritti avashyam bhavat. Then anything that is paratantra to this avidya, means dependently existing in avidya, avidya will go, all of that will go. Avidya karyam, they all are. Avidyayaha nivrittau, tat paratantranam nivritti avashyam bhavat. It certainly is going to happen. Anaditve api avidyakatvat. It should be avidyakatvat. Further, prakarantarena anyanya bhavam vibhajate. Anyanya bhava has very many varieties. Another prakara he gives. Punaha api bhedo dvividaha. Bheda means
अन्योन्य भाव.
anyanya bhava. Sopadiko nirupadikascha. सोपाधिक अन्योन्य भाव निरुपाधिक. तत्र उपाधि सत्ता व्यापक व्याप्य सत्ताकत उपाधि सत्ता व्याप्य सत्ताकत्वम सोपाधिकत्वम तच्छून्यत्वम निरुपाधिकत्वम. उपाधि सत्ता व्याप्य सत्ताकत्वम is सोपाधिकत्वम. Somebody said, why can't they give a single statement which is straightforward? Why there has to be sentences with some pratiyogi, some satta, vyapya satta, vyapaka satta? Some, always there are strange statements. You have to understand, you are not studying those basic granthas which you already have studied. And this language is going to be like this only. Sometimes, people like that I should study those things which I already know, so that I can answer all questions. And the fact is, there is no point in studying what you already have studied. You have to study those things which you don't know. So what is Upadhi Satta Vyapya Sattakatvam? Tika. Upadhi Sattayaha Vyapya Satta Yasya Bhedasya Tasya Bhavas Tattvam. उपाधि सत्ता या व्याप्य सत्ता, उपाधि सत्ता की जो व्याप्य सत्ता है, व्याप्य सत्ता यस्य भेदस्य तस्य भावस्तत्व. यत्र यत्र आकाशादि भेद सत्ता तत्र तत्र घटादि उपाधि सत्ता इति भेदो उपाधि सत्तया सत्तयोः व्याप्य व्यापक भाव. भेद एंड उपाधि सत्ता. In Akasha, if we create Veda, see in the Moolam they have given the Drishtanta. Yatha ekasyeva Akashasya, tatra adya sopadika. Ekasya eva Akashasya ghatadi upadhe bhedena bhedaha. One Akasha ghatadi upadhi bhedena bheda. So many ghatas are there, then many ghatakashas will be there. That is सोपाधिक. घटादि उपाधि भेदेन आकाशस्य भेदः. यथा वा एकस्यैव सूर्यस्य जलभाजनेन भेदः. One सूर्य many जलपात्र, therefore there is भेद. This is example. So now we know उपाधि सत्तायाः व्याप्या सत्ता. उपाधि सत्ता is vyapaka. Its vyapya satta is bheda satya. Bheda satta. That's why I give example. Yatra yatra akashadi bheda. If akasha bheda is there, it is upadhi satta. Because of the upadhi satta bheda. उपाधि भेद उपाधि सत्तयोर व्याप्य व्यापक भाव. Between bheda and upadhi, vyapya vyapaka bhava is there. Bheda is always going to be vyapya. Now in Darshtanta, how it will work, he says, तथा च एकस्यैव ब्रह्मणो अंतःकरण भेदाद भेद. One Brahma, but अंतःकरण भेद is there. Therefore, एकस्यैव ब्रह्मणो भेद. One Brahma appearing as many, infinite. This is sopadika bheda. So far it is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Swamiji.
Hmm. Now, tika. Seen moolam one sentence is nirupadika bheda yatha ghate pata bheda. This is nirupadika. Ghate pata bheda is not dependently existing. This is nirupadika anyanya bhava. टीका ननु ब्रह्मणो जड़त्व व्यावृत्तये तत्र प्रपंच प्रतियोगी को भेदो अभ्युपेयस तथात्वे च अद्वैत विरोध इति आशंक्य. ब्रह्म इज चैतन्य, प्रपंच जगत इज जड़, चैतन्य इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम जड़. दिस इज व्हाट वी ऑलरेडी नो. सो नाउ पूर्वपक्ष सेज, is Jagat different from Brahma or Jagat is not different from Brahma? If Jagat is different from Brahma, then there is Advaita Hani, because now you have Brahma and Jagat, Anyanya Bhava. If Jagat is not different from Brahma, then you will have to explain how, because Jagat is Jada, Brahma is Chaitanya. So Brahmano Jadatva Vyavrittaye, Brahma should not become Jada when it becomes one with Jagat or Prapancha. So Brahmano Jadatva Vyavrittaye tatra Prapancha Pratiyogi ko bhedo abhyupeya. Prapancha Pratiyogi ka bheda you should accept. Tathatvecha Advaita Virodha. Then Advaita Virodha will take place. Iti Ashankyaha. Because now you will have two, Brahma and Prapancha. Nacha Brahmani api Prapancha Bheda Abhyupagame Advaita Virodha. In Brahma, if you accept Prapancha Bheda Abhyupagame, na Advaita Virodha. There is no Advaita Virodha. Because they are a different sattaka, so there is no problem. यथा वियदादिकम अतात्विकत्वात् न अद्वैत विघातकम तद भेदो अपि इत्याह. वियदादिकम अतात्विकम, they are vyavaharika only, akashadi. Therefore, they cannot do nasha of Advaita. They are not Advaita Vighatakam. Tadvat Bhedo api. In the same way, their Bheda is also not going to destroy or affect Adhishthanam. Tattvika iti. तात्विक भेदादेहे अनभ्युपगमेन वियदादिवत् अद्वैत अव्याघातत्वात्. There is no तात्विक भेद, रियल भेद. तात्विक भेद आदेः अनभ्युपगमेन वियदादिवत् अद्वैत अव्याघातकत्वात्. There is no vyaghata if you accept तात्विक भेद. The तात्विक भेद is not there. तात्विक भेदादेः अनभ्युपगमेन. So Advaita will never get affected because there is no real Bheda. Prapanchasya Advaite Brahmani Kalpitatva Angikarat. Because in the Advaita Brahma, Prapancha is Kalpita only. Kalpitatva Angikarat. तदुक्तम सुरेश्वराचार्यैः अक्षमा भवतः केयम साधकत्व प्रकल्पने.
अक्षमा भवतः साधकत्व प्रकल्पने.
तत्रैवाज्ञानकल्पितम्.
तत्रैवाज्ञानकल्पितम्.
अक्षमा भवतः केयम साधकत्व प्रकल्पने. So the previous sentence was Prapanchasya Advaite Brahmani Kalpitatva Angikara. Prapancha is Kalpita in Advaita Brahma. This quotation is not exactly the same of that sentence. Quotation says, who will claim Aham Brahmasmi? This is the question. Who will claim Aham Brahmasmi? What is the answer?
अहंकार.
No.
चिदाभास.
Two different answers you may give. Answer is Brahma only. Because Brahma va idam agra asit tadatmanam evavet aham brahmasmi iti. So Brahma will say, I am Brahma. Because Brahma alone can say, I am Brahma. Who else will say, I am Brahma? Anyway, so then there is discussion how Brahma can say this, that. So Brahma under the influence of avidya thinks it is Jiva. Now that Brahma under the influence of avidya gets knowledge and claims, I am Brahma. So who is the sadhaka? It is said Brahma. In that context, we have to see this shloka. So Purvapakshi says, how Brahma can become sadhaka? So Sureshwaracharya says, if Brahma can become whole Brahmanda, why can't Brahma be sadhaka also? If Brahma can become Jagat, why can't Brahma be sadhaka? Akshama bhavatah keyam ka iyam akshama bhavatah. In English, he says, what is your problem? In what? Brahmanaha sadhakatva prakalpane. That you are doing this prakalpanam, this thinking that Brahma has become sadhaka. What is your problem in this? How Brahma can become sadhaka? You say, how Brahma can become Jagat? Ajnana. Tatraiva ajnana kalpitam samsaram kinna pashyasi. Tatraiva Brahmani ajnana kalpitam. If the whole samsara can be Brahma, then sadhaka is also Brahma. What is wrong? Guru is Brahma. Shishya is Brahma. Shishyacharya taya tathaiva pitruputradhyatmana vedata. This is all these, many of these shlokas are quoted in Chitsukhi and Advait Siddhi, etc. टीका ननु वियदादि प्रपंचस्यैव तात्विकत्वेन तथात्वं कथम. Vyadadi prapancha is Tatvika. Purvapaksha says, how you are saying it is not Advaita Vigatakam. Iti ataha prapanchasya. Prapanchasya Brahmani kalpitatva angikare. Prapancha is kalpita in Brahma. In that Vartikakara Sammati is also there. Up to this, let us keep. Then the next portion we will see in the afternoon session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.